In this video, I will show you how to fix low memory error on Roblox Mobile. Hold on the Roblox app icon, then tap App Info. Alternatively, go to Settings, then Apps. It will take some time if you have lots of apps installed in your phone. Then search for Roblox. Tap on it. Tap on Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Then Clear Data. Restart Roblox, log in and check if the issue is fixed. For iPhone or iPad users, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Roblox. Tap on it, then select Delete App. Go to App Store, re-download Roblox and log in. Your account messages and game data will remain safe. If the error still persists, try these steps. Uninstall unusual apps, delete large files or old media, move files to cloud storage. That's it. Now you know how to fix the low memory error on Roblox Mobile. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.